In this video, we're going to show you briefly how to add a tag and to look up tags that already exist. If you are in Fontagent 9, you have the ability now to add tags. In this case, what we're going to do is try to find some fonts that already have tags. And as I look through them, I can see that as we get around to this one that says Airflow, we have a number of tags here. Now, when I'm working in tags, I want to make sure that I've selected tags and comments. And if I want to review what tags may be available to me already, I can click the Tags button. Here I can select tags that I may want for this particular font or fonts. Notice I've added that one. If I want to remove a particular tag, I can rename it or I can remove it here from the local fonts selections. And like I said, if I change these, I might get different tag information. And that's how you add tags. To create a new tag, all you do is go in and say, and hit return, and that tag will enter in here. If you want to delete a tag, you can just select the delete button there. Again, adding a tag, and then I can go ahead and select it in here if I want. So adding tags in the client is very simple and straightforward, and they're searchable. As you can see here, I've created some smart sets by tag. One is by cat. There's my cat tag. It tags all my cat fonts. Now, from the server side, it's even easier. Now, there's no importing of information, but if you go down to the tab just below fonts and go to the menu item, you can say add tag. Here I can enter the test tag, say save, and there's my test tag. Tags can be anywhere from 3 to 128 characters. Hope that helps. So once you've created tags, the next step would be to apply them to a font. In this case, if I've created a new tag, such as test here, we can see that there's already some fonts there. Maybe this newer one doesn't have any. Okay, great. So this newer one I've selected as a tag. I can add fonts to, and I can select just 3 individual fonts and say save, and you'll see them be added here. Or I could go in and be more specific and say maybe I want to add a tag to a specific group of fonts or font name or family name or foundry name, and I could say Adobe, and it'll change to Adobe Systems. And then from there I can say, well, I want these open type ones because we get this little delineator here. I'll select these open type ones and say save, and you'll see those show up here. So it's very easy to add tags to fonts. So that's the process. And it goes for any of these particular selections. Select the tag you want, click add fonts, and you move the tags to those fonts. We also give you a little information about how many fonts are tagged with each tag you set up.